Are 2-inch wheel spacers safe for your Mitsubishi Pajero?
As long as you use quality 2-inch wheel spacers and install them properly to prevent flexing and loss of clamp force, they are safe and reliable for off-road. In fact, Mitsubishi 2-inch wheel spacers make no difference as wheels with a negative offset. When the wheel nuts are correctly tightened, they will strengthen elastically to keep everything in the right place. If they are torqued properly, they will never come off. According to the mechanical structure of wheels, half-century 2-inch wheel spacers are better than like-century ones. Besides, half-century 2-inch wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight and fill the gap for a more tightly fit, reducing vibration. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good Mitsubishi Pajero 2-inch wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Mitsubishi Pajero 2-inch wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. All BONOSS Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacer package come complete with all necessary hardware, including new ISO grade 10 wheel lug nut or ISO grade 1219 wheel stud to fit your vehicle. All BONOSS Mitsubishi Pajero 2-inch wheel spacers are forged. In addition, high-precision Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience. BONOSS off-road 2-inch wheel spacers are made of the highest quality forged 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum. Both forged aluminum 6061T6 or 7075T6 feature good hardness and toughness, excellent corrosion resistance, and wear-resistant characteristics. Even facing impact, they are not easy to break. Continuously forging adds superior mechanical and physical properties created by heat and pressure. They are high strength for safety and security, and very suitable for long-term applications.
Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.